on that one?
You keep coming to me. You want to be mine, don't you?
Actually, I was surprised when I put them all in together, like they were separate, and they just snuggle at night like they're just one big family.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
They're quieter than these guys. These guys get up and play. I think these guys are too fat.
They can't get up. They're too fat.
But yeah, they're not going to be black and white, Ashley. The brown and white ones.
Look at the tails going.
Definitely change. Hello.
One tail starts, then the rest.